taking a look at buying real estate because they needed a bigger house. Okay, so the boomers came in and said, okay, look, who do we buy it from? Now, don't forget, prior to the boomers being born, before 1945, there were only 30 million people born, Kuya Boy. So the boomers was 3 times larger than the population prior to that. So these guys, there was one person selling the house and the 3 people buying. So suddenly what happens? Demand and supply says if there's a huge demand and there's a supply, price is going to start going up. That's when you find a lot of people who bought houses in the last 15, 20 years. Today, the houses are worth maybe $1 million or more, maybe higher.
Simpleng law of supply and demand. Pag mas maraming minangangailangan ng bagay na nito, syempre, mas mataas yung mabebenta, mas mataas ang presyo masisingil yun. At ang nangyari nga, dahil dumadami tao, pero ang supply ng mga lote o mga bahay ay pirmi lamang, ay hindi naman basta lumalaki kaagad, kaya nagtataasan ang presyo ng mga lupa. Kaya, salba, sa isang lugar lamang, kaya nagtaasan ang presyo dito sa West Vancouver o dyan sa may Point Grey areas yan. Dahil iilan lang limitadong supply, pero marami may gusto magtayo ng bahay doon, kaya nagtaasan ang presyo ng mga lupa. Surinder, the most expensive piece of property here I read is over in Point Grey. It's $55 million. It's owned by the guy who owns Lululemon.
Yes. I guess he's gone to retirement now, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has.
Well, that's why he bought the $55 million.